Hello and welcome. My name is Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums and to this little short video. It's a video that's going to accompany my Etsy listing, so you can come along and have a little listen to the sound. The drum in question is this rather lovely 18-inch deerskin shamanic drum. It's on an ashwood frame. If I turn her over, you can see what we've got. This is again a field maple branch handle. It's laced with artificial sinew. I put some information, I burnt it on the inside of the frame here. I put my maker's mark, Driftwood Hollow Drums, but I've also put when the drum was birthed, which was the 5th of October 2025, Knighton, Powys, UK. I put deer and ash in there as well as the astrological symbol sign for this drum as well. So let's have a play. I'm going to play with a soft beater and a firmer beater. Both give a slightly different sound, and either of these are available to purchase alongside this drum if you choose it to be your very own. So let's have a play. Soft beater first. Beautiful. It's got a beautiful deep resonance to this drum. Quite a thick deerskin, which is helping to give it that beautiful, rich, mellow sound. This is the firmer beater. Lovely. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it helps you to make a more informed decision when you're coming to choose online. It's always tricky. I'm Crow. It's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.